Looking for the best drawing tablet with screen to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Pen Display 24. Now you might be thinking Zenhu, don't let the unfamiliar name fool you. Zenlabs might be the relatively new kid on the block, but they've come out swinging with a tablet that's got the big names running scared. Let's start with the obvious. This thing is big. We're talking about a 24 inches 4K display that'll make your artwork pop like it's trying to jump off the screen. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, this thing is simply hard to beat. Speaking of resolution, this display isn't messing around. It covers 99% of the Adobe RGB color space and 93% of DCI-P3. In plain English, your colors will be super accurate, and with the brightness of 330 nits, you won't be squinting at your screen even if you're drawing next to a spotlight. Now let's talk about the pen. The Zenlab stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and virtually no parallax. That means the cursor appears exactly where you place the pen tip no matter your viewing angle, but Zenlabs didn't stop there. They've included not one but two pens with the tablet. One is slim and one is thick because they understand that artists' hands come in all shapes and sizes. Connectivity-wise, you're spoiled for choice. HDMI, USB-C, USB-A, DisplayPort. This tablet's got more ports than you can imagine, and with its built-in stand, you can adjust the angle from 16 to 72 degrees. Now what really sets the Zenlabs Pen Display 24 apart is its value for money. It offers features comparable to, and in some cases, better than tablets that cost significantly more. It's like finding a sports car for the price of a sedan. And there you have it, our rundown of the top 5 best drawing tablets with screens for 2026. Number 2. Artist Pro 16 Gen 2. This tablet is proof that you don't need to sell a kidney to get professional-grade drawing hardware. Let's break down why this tablet deserves its place in the limelight. First up, let's talk about the display. We're looking at a 15.6-inch screen with a resolution of 2560 by 600 pixels. That's what the cool kids call 2.5K. And it's a sweet spot between full HD and 4K. Your artwork will look crisp and detailed, but your computer won't need to be a supercomputer to keep up. Now here's where things get really interesting. The Stylus XP pen has pulled out all the stops with their new pen boasting an unmatched 16,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. That's double what most other tablets offer. In practical terms, it means this tablet can detect even the slightest changes in pressure, allowing for incredibly nuanced line work and shading. The color accuracy on this thing is no joke either. With 99% Adobe RGB coverage, the colors really pop off this bead, and with a brightness of 400 nits, you won't be squinting at your screen even in well-lit rooms. But now let's talk about some of the cool extras. The Artist Pro 16 comes with a handy dial controller that you can customize to your heart's content. Want it to control your brush size? Done. Zoom level? You got it. Connectivity-wise, you're looking at USB-C and HDMI options, so it'll play nice with most modern setups. And at just 15mm thick, it's slim enough to slip into your bag for some on-the-go creation. Now it's time for our top pick, the Zenlabs. Number 3. wcom Cintique Pro 27. This isn't just a drawing tablet, it's a really huge digital canvas that'll make you feel like you're painting on the side of a building. Let's start with the obvious. This thing is huge with a 27.9 in Ultra HD display. You're getting more drawing space than some people have desk space. It's like having a small TV that you can draw on, but trust us, once you experience the freedom of this massive digital canvas, you'll wonder how you ever worked on anything smaller. But the Cintique Pro 27 doesn't just impress with size, it's got the specs to back it up. We're talking about a 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160 pixels that'll make your artwork look sharper than ever. Color accuracy, oh you bet it's got that covered with 98% Adobe RGB coverage and 10-bit color. That's over a billion colors. Your artwork will look as vibrant on screen as it does in your imagination. Now let's talk about the pen experience. The Cintique Pro 27 comes with Wacom's Pro Pen 3, which offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. That's like having a pen that can read your mind. What's more, this tablet also supports multi-touch gestures. Want to zoom in on your work? Just pinch the screen. Need to rotate your canvas? 2-finger twist and you're good to go. It's like having a touch screen and a drawing tablet in one. Connectivity-wise, the Cintique Pro 27 has got you covered with USB-C, HDMI DisplayPort, and even USB ports. You can hook this baby up to just about any setup you can imagine. Now we've got to address the elephant in the room, or should we say the elephant-sized price tag. The CTIC Pro 27 is not cheap. It's designed for professional artists and studios who need the absolute best tools of the trade, but if you're serious about your digital art, the investment can be well worth it. One last thing to keep in mind: this tablet is not for the faint of heart or the weak of desk. At 27 and it's going to dominate your workspace. Make sure you've got a sturdy desk and plenty of room before you bring this beast home. Now for our runner-up, the XP Pen. Number 4. iPad Pro 12.9 in with the M1 chip. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, isn't this just a regular tablet? Well, yes and no. When paired with the Apple Pencil 2 sold separately, of course. This bad boy transforms into one of the most versatile drawing tablets on the market. Let's talk specs. This iPad Pro boasts a stunning 12.9 in Liquid Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2732 by 248 pixels. That's a lot of pixels. And with its 20Hz refresh rate, your strokes appear on the screen faster than you can say digital art. The star of the show here, though, is the M1 chip. This little piece of silicon magic brings desktop-level performance to a tablet form factor. But what really sets the iPad Pro apart is its portability. Unlike traditional drawing tablets that need to be tethered to a computer, this is a fully self-contained device. You can sketch at your desk or on the couch or even at the park. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The iPad Pro is more expensive than dedicated drawing tablets, and you'll need to shell out extra for the Apple Pencil and potentially a paper-like screen protector for that authentic drawing feel. But for the sheer versatility it offers, many artists find it worth the investment. One more thing to keep in mind: while there are plenty of professional-grade art apps available for iPad OS, you don't have access to the full desktop versions of software like Photoshop or Illustrator. But for many artists, apps like Procreate more than make up for this. Overall, the iPad Pro 12.9 in is really versatile. It's a drawing tablet, a portable workstation, and a media consumption device, all rolled into one sleek package. If you're looking for versatility and don't mind the Apple ecosystem, this might just be your perfect digital canvas. And hey, speaking of perfect, you know what else is perfect? The deals you can find using the links in our description. Don't forget to check them out for the best prices on this iPad Pro and all our featured tablets. Moving on to our number 5. Huion Canvas Studio 16. A game changer that combines a drawing tablet with a full Windows PC. Yes, you read that right, it's both a drawing tablet and a computer in one sleek package. The Huion Canvas Studio 16 runs Windows 11, giving you all the power of a desktop and a portable design. It features a 15.75-inch drawing area, perfect for your artwork. The tablet has a capacitive touch display and comes with the Pentec 3.0 Plus stylus, offering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity for smooth, precise lines. If you're into vibrant colors, this tablet offers 100% Adobe RGB coverage, making your artwork pop with rich color. Now, here's the kicker: it's not just a drawing tablet, but a full PC. With 512 GB of storage, an Intel Core i7 processor, and 16 GB of RAM, this tablet delivers the performance of a desktop computer. It also comes with built-in stereo speakers, a microphone array, and a front-facing camera for video calls and enjoying music while you work. However, it's a bit on the heavy side, so you probably won't be sketching while standing in line for coffee. Also, if you love shortcut buttons, you might miss having more physical keys. But with a full Windows OS, you might not miss them at all. The Huion Canvas Studio 16 is perfect for artists who want both a high-quality drawing experience and a fully functional computer in one device. If you're tired of switching between multiple devices and want a streamlined setup without sacrificing power, this could be the ideal tool for you.